po ulit sa inyong lahat ng mga ginigiliw naming manonood saan man sulok ng mundo. Ngayon po ay May 26, 2025. Araw ng Lunes dito sa British Columbia, sa Richmond, British Columbia, Canada. So, kahapon, linggo, tinanggal na ni baby yung aking chemo bottle. And meron kaming video na ginawa kung paano niya tinatanggal. So, ang plano today is lalabas. Pupunta ulit kami sa Integrative Clinic dun sa Port Moody para magpa-inject ng high-dose vitamin C intravenously, tsaka yung dichloroacetate. Yan. So, ngayon naman pag-usapan natin yung mga before that, so yung cycle ko nga every 2 weeks, but this time, every 2 weeks, so yung cycle ng chemo sa ospital, pinagbigyan tayo ni doktor. Meron tayo ngayong 1 month break. So, yung susunod kong chemo is 4 weeks after. Yan. So, ngayon gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga in-between. Ano ba yung ginagawa ko in between the cycles. And siguro focus lang tayo ngayon dun sa mga supplements na tinitake ko. Yan. Itong mga supplements na to, ito yung mga na-recommend sa akin ng naturopath doctor ko. Doctor siya. Yan, licensed to. And of course, this is not medical advice. Maybe you could consider. Yan. Kasi in my case, kailangan kong gawin to palagi kasi yung sakit ko nga is chronic, no? Cancer is a chronic disease. So, ibig sabihin, it's a long-term fight, no? Yung mga cancer cell, hindi sila nagpapahinga. So, dapat may ginagawa rin tayo in between. Tama ba, baby? Si baby ko naghuhugas. Ayan. My number 1 fan. Hi! Okay, so hindi po ito medical advice, no? Pero siguro, maybe, I hope you can pick up some from it. Ano ba yung mga iniinom ko na isang cancer patient. Yan. So, itong una, napapakita ko sa inyo yung tinatawag na probiotic. Yan. Probiotic, it has 50 billion CFU. Ano ba yung CFU? Maybe it's a measure of units, no? CFU. So, ang meron dito is meron siyang Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium animalis, at kung ano-ano pa. So, 50 billion. So, if you remember, sa example sa Philippines, yung Yakult, diba? It's a probiotic. And ano nga ba ang ginagawa nito? And promote favorable gut flora and good intestinal health. Helps with immune function. Ayun. Para po ito sa ating digestion. Yeah, improve kasi yung stomach natin, di ba, meron siyang good bacteria that helps fight pag merong tayong nakain or may pumasok sa tiyan natin na mga germs or viruses. You want to keep your flora na tinatawag healthy. So, yan. So, ito, I take it once a day. Yan. And then another one is itong curcumin. Curcumin. So, ito yung extract mula dun sa, ano bang halaman nito? Turmeric. Diba? May studies na yung population, there's a certain population in the world na very low ang incidence ng cancer. And they have correlated it with their diet. And maybe some of you already know, yung mga Indian population, di ba? Mahilig silang kumain ng curry. Yung dishes nila, maraming curry. And it has been correlated na yung curcumin has anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Yan. So, 'di ba? Karamihan ng sakit natin is nanggagaling sa inflammation, yung pamamaga ng mga joints, ng mga pwedeng internal or external. Yan. So, hindi po ako doktor, pero over the years, kami ni baby, we learned this na yung inflammation is one of yung stress, nagkakos yan ng inflammation. And inflammation is good and bad. So, yung mga short-term inflammation, for example, nauntog ka, kakaroon ka ng pasa or bukol, your body is already working to heal that temporary injury. Or kung nagkaroon ka ng viruses, ganyan. Pero yung mga tinatawag na chronic inflammation, ito yung mga talagang nagkakos ng heart disease, cancer, and one of the causes siguro sa lifestyle natin is yung stress and diet na rin. Yung kinakain natin ng mga, or kung umiinom tayo palagi or nag-smoke tayo ng cigarettes, it cause harm to your body. It can cause inflammation. Minsan, yung pamamaga, minsan yung range of motion mo, masakit yung balikat mo, yung mga joints mo, yung tuhod mo, yung ankles mo. Ayan, meron ka mga mouth sore, meron ka mga headache. And a lot of disease are linked to chronic inflammation or acute inflammation. So itong curcumin is it has anti-inflammatory effect, yan, and pain relief, and it also, based on studies, it has anti-cancer. It actually actively kills cancer cells, lalo na yung stem cells. Yan, so ito yung I take it thrice a day. Ayan, sabi ni baby, thrice a day. Yan, so yan, curcumin. Now, not all supplements are created equal, di ba? Ibig sabihin, or not all manufacturers are created equal. Make sure that you are sourcing your supplements from a very reliable source. Kasi ang dami, di ba? So, and one way for us na discover na reliable is pag piniprescribe nung doktor namin, plus yung kinukuha na naming pharmacy is established. Kumbaga, wag ka lang bili ng bili kung saan-saan dyan sa tabi-tabi. Ang dami kasing, it's a big business, right? And relatively mas cheaper siya. Yan, so and also one of the reason is bakit mo kailangan gawin to is you cannot derive everything from food alone. Diba? May mga araw na ito lang kinakain mo, or weeks or months, and you're missing out on the other supplements na makakatulong sa body mo. Okay, third is quercetin. Quercetin. Yan. So I take it maybe twice a day. Yeah. Quercetin is sourced from the flower of the Japanese pagoda tree. So pagoda tree, no? And sabi dito, quercetin is a natural compound na found in fruits and vegetables such as apples, onion, and green tea. Itong 500 mg of quercetin per capsule has the antioxidant strength of over 100 apples in every dose. So, isang tableta is equivalent to 100 apples. Imagine that. You cannot physically eat 100 apples every day, di ba? So this will help you. Kasi ang kailangan mo dun sa apple, yung quercetin. The rest is fiber and sugar, di ba? Pero in order to extract 500 milligrams of pure quercetin, you need to eat 100 apples, which is impossible to do. And yun nga, antioxidant. Yung antioxidant, Meron kasi tayong mga tinatawag na free radicals, no? In technical terms, ito yung mga electrons na 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 they're just floating around our body, circulating. Extra electrons. So kailangan mo ng antioxidant to pair with that, to capture that free radicals. Yan. So quercetin, Canprev ang manufacturer. Yan. And then, meron tayong Bio B6 Matrix. So, it's a combination of vitamin C, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9, B12, biotin, and choline and inositol. Ang sabi naman dito, a factor in the maintenance of good health, helps the body to metabolize carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, helps to prevent vitamin B6 deficiency. Yan, ito I take it once a day during lunch. Vitamin B. Ano bang ginagawa ng vitamin B? Yun nga, good health, metabolize carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Yan. Then, meron tayo ditong turkey tail. Turkey tail, fermented mushroom, or ito is Living Alchemy ang brand. Isa na research ni Baby na marami rin kasing klaseng turkey tail floating around, and some of them are not pure. So ito nabibili namin doon sa Pure Pharmacy dito sa Metro Vancouver. Ito ay mushroom, and ang ingredients niya ay ano ba to? Yeah, fermented mushroom. So ano bang ginagawa nito? It's immune and microbiome support. So immune system. Basically yung mushroom, it helps modulate yung immune system. Kasi yung immune system, it can either act aggressively or it can suppress. Depende kung ano yung nilalabanan niya. So kung meron kang disease, it can be activated. Pero hindi rin maganda yung sobrang activate, or sometimes meron tinatawag na autoimmune disease na kahit wala ka namang sakit nag-a-act out yung immune system mo. So you need something to control it, no? To bring it back to normal. So modulation, minomodulate niya. Pag masyado mataa, pag kailangan mo ng extra boost, then this will help. Kung sobra naman ng boost, kailangan mong ibaba, and then it helps. So mushroom, lalo na pagka, like for me, during chemo, right? So I feel really terrible. Sakit ang ulo ko, masakit ang tiyan ko, right? And my body is trying to correct itself. Yun ang design sa atin ng Panginoon, ng katawan natin Dinesign ng Panginoon to heal itself. But sometimes masyadong malakas yung mga external factors like environment, yung kinakain natin, yung lifestyle natin, and we need some support. So ito, isa sa mga I would recommend talaga itong turkey tail. Yan. Okay, ano pang meron? Now, this one, as you can see, yung container niya is different, no? Because this is a prescribed medicine. Hindi mo to basta-basta mabibili. And this one is metformin. So, karaniwang gamot ito sa mga diabetic to control the sugar. But studies have shown na this has anti-cancer effects actually. And not all doctors know that. Some doctors will tell you, no, you don't need it. Pero the doctors who know and have studied and read all the documentation, it has anti-cancer effect ng metformin. It's also called, sabi ni Baby, repurposed drug. So, ang ibig sabihin ng repurposed drug, it's being used for another disease that it's not designed for, pero they found out na, hey, pwede rin pala itong gamitin dito sa sakit na to, and it's very effective, found to be very effective, no? So, in combination with chemo, sabi ni baby. Hi, baby. So, I take this twice daily with meals. Yan. Hindi po ako diabetic, but my naturopath doctor, oncology doctor, recommended that I use this. And hindi mo nga ito mabibili basta-basta. You need a prescription. So, they know what they're doing. Yan. So, yun na yung mga nainom ko. No? So, of course, ini-space out ko kasi each person differs, di ba? Some people can take it all at once. Some people, they have to space it out, you know. So, in my case, I have found a way to space them out. Na kukonsume ko pa rin siya regularly every day. Yeah. Now, yung mga hindi ko pa nainom, papakilala ko sa inyo itong Wild Crafted Boswellia. Yan. Para saan ba ito? Sa anti-inflammation din daw, sabi ni baby. Helps to relieve joint pain. Yan. So, by the way, I mean, hindi lang kung may cancer ka, you will take this. These drugs, these supplements, most of them are plant-based, herbals. You can also use this pagka meron ka mga joint pain, and you figure it out. Kung if it works for you, then take it. Pag nawala ng joint pain mo, then stop taking it. Pero kaya nga sinabi ko, in my case, I have to be on guard lagi. Kasi anytime yung dahil nga sa chronic dun sa cancer, it causes inflammation. Or the other way around, inflammation, it can worsen the symptoms. I need to be on guard always. So itong Wild Crafted Boswellia, it helps relieve joint pains. Ang ingredient nito ay Boswellia serrata. Which sinasabi rin dito, Boswellia serrata helps to relieve joint pain and swelling associated with osteoarthritis of the knee. Yan. So, yung tuhod natin, nakakatulong din siya. Wild Crafted Boswellia. And then, I have another one. It's called DT Matrix. Yan. This is ang ingredients nito is beet, globe artichoke, milk thistle, burdock, stinging nettle, bearberry, and picoiza. Ito naman mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, is for, sabi ni baby, sabi dito, burdock is traditionally used in herbal medicine as an alternative to help remove accumulated waste products via the liver, skin, and mucous membrane. Used in herbal medicine to relieve digestive disturbances and help reduce difficulty in urination associated with the early stages of benign prostatic hyperplasia. Yon, so liver support. Yan. Diba? So, yung liver natin is a major organ of the body, diba? So, yun yung nagpa-process after na nagpa-process ng mga kinakain natin. Of course, pag na-digest na sa stomach, diba, acid na pupunta dun sa bile and then everything. So, kailangan nating alagaan ng liver natin while also taking all of these supplements. No? So, yan. So, yan yung DT Matrix. Beet, artichoke, milk, thistle, burdock, stinging nettle, bearberry. Moving on, meron tayong tinatawag na Cyto ALA. ALA stands for alpha lipolic acid. Pero this one has vitamin B1 and biotin. It helps to promote glucose metabolism, provides antioxidants for the maintenance of good health. So, glucose metabolism. Yan. Cyto-ALA, alpha-lipoic acid. Meron din tayong tinatawag na artemisinin. Yan. Most of you are probably not familiar because this is a traditional Chinese herbal medicine. Yan. So, pure Ginghao from Artemisia. Artemisia is a kind of plant na nakikita sa China. And, ano bang ginagawa nito? It has anti-cancer. There are studies na it has anti-cancer effects, no? So, lumalaban siya dun sa mga cancer cells. Bawal to sa mga pregnant or nursing women. So, yun nga pala, no, kung buntis ka or if you're nursing, nagpapadede, all of these ingredients you have to check with your doctor kung pwede mong i-take, no? It's also good for liver support nutrients, no? And normally you would want to take this with food. Artemisinin. Okay, so going down the line, equivalent ng isang turkey tail itong Immunopress. It's also mushroom based, no? So pareho din ang effect, no? Immunomodulation. So pinag-alternate ko yung turkey tail, ito yung Immunopress. Yan. Then of course, meron pa iba pero itong last two na ipapakita ko sa inyo is magnesium glycinate with glycinate, no? Magnesium with glycinate helps maintain proper muscle function, helps in tissue formation, helps metabolize carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. So magnesium. I take 200 milligrams. And then lastly, itong zinc. Zinc, no? Now, hindi natin pinagsasabay itong dalawa na to. So, you take this and then after 2 hours or 3 hours, and then you take this or either or. Hindi natin pwedeng pagsabayin. They can contraindicate with each other. So, zinc. Para saan ba itong zinc? Helps maintain immune function and connective tissue formation. Yan, Zinc Supreme. Ayan. So, yun lang po muna ang masishare ko sa inyo. Medyo mahaba na itong ating video. And I think if you, kung meron man take away, dito sa video na to is you really need to supplement. Hindi enough yung pagkain. And you need to be disciplined about it. Kailangan mo siyang tinitake and it helps kung meron nagpapaalala sa iyo like si baby. Naalagaan niya ako. Siya yung nagpapaalala sa akin, inumin mo to. Ayun. So, hopefully meron kayong napulot and see you again in the next vlog. Thank you for watching and I hope you all have a good day. And like I always say, you know, always pray sa Panginoon. Huwag nating kakalimutan tumawag sa Kanya araw-araw. Araw-araw. Oras-oras. Yun lamang po. God bless you all.